I've curated a list of screening questions which you can use for any B2B go-to-market roles. I've segregated these questions into 3 main buckets. The first one is demand the proof and don't just go by their stories. Ask something like this: can you produce your quota or target achieve proof and show the non-compete agreement paperwork as part of our hiring process? Tell them upfront that they can hide confidential details. You just need to verify the key details. If they are reluctant, you can pass on those candidates. Let me tell you, genuine performers have no issue sharing those details. They're fine sharing their details. We will move on and screen for their process. For instance, if you're hiring a BDM for a staffing firm, you can ask something like, what is your current book size? And can you walk me through your lead generation process? Asking their intent when they are approaching a new client. You can also ask something like this: how do you get a client to stop using their current vendor and start using you? I would say always ask for context, such as, in a role where you missed targets, how did you figure out if it was the product's fault or a problem with your technique? A great GDM individual can diagnose the weak product, whereas a weak one will blame the market. Now we move on to the next bucket, which is checking their cross-functional collaboration. Go-to-market folks work in teams. So the question that you can ask, if it is related to BDM staffing hiring, something that you can ask would be like, describe a time a recruiter couldn't fill the role you sold. How did you work with them to reset the client expectation or pivot the search? Now the final third bucket is to vet the quality of the revenue. And this is crucial. We look for revenue quality. Every company needs deals that stick and grow, right? You can ask something like, what was the gross margin of the business you brought in? And tell me about the difficulty level of the positions you closed. Were they entry level or highly skilled ones? If this is for any other industry, you can ask something like, what was your toughest renewal or expansion? How did you quantify the value you delivered to keep that client? All right, let me reiterate. Always demand proof, vet the non-compete, check their teamwork skills, and always vet the quality of their revenue. I hope this helps.